Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. So, anyways, we're on the 1 hour time frame. US dollar yen zoomed out quite a ways. Now, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this whole last move down. If this really is an ABC, which I'm even not really even sure that it is, honestly, I think it could be a big ABC on the daily. If I zoom out in a little bit, it potentially would be an A, B, and this would keep going up for wave C, take out these highs and then reverse back down. Definitely something to keep in mind on the 1 hour time frame. Because if this really is just an ABC on the 1 hour, then this would have to make like a double top right here at that 78%, go down and break structure. If I see this picture right here, then I definitely will turn into a seller on pullbacks from that point on. I will be looking for pullbacks to go short for sure. If I do not see that pizza, then I would definitely still be recommending longs, even if it goes down, comes up. As long as it doesn't break structure, I would definitely still be looking for longs. What I showed on the daily time frame, which is that much larger ABC correction, may actually be much more likely, especially looking at the US dollar index for correlation. So I definitely am looking for longs unless we get that double top, break a structure. If we get that double top breaker structure, then definitely we'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts on pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.